A very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are well and staying at home. So children, in the previous lecture, we have done addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Today we will start the new topic, that is finding the value of algebraic expressions. I hope you all have understood the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Still, if you have any query, any doubt, you can call me or you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Now, let's start a new topic, finding the value of an algebraic expression. In this, expression will be given and the value of variables will also be given. So, by putting the values in the expression, value of the variable in the expression, we will find out the value of expression. So let's take one example. 2x minus 4. We have to find out the value of expression 2x minus 4 when value of x is 3. So how we will find out? First we will see what is the operation between variable and the number. If there is no sign, it means there is multiplication. So 2 into value of x is 3. In place of x we will write its value minus 4. Now we will use Damas. In Damas we solve multiplication first. So 2 3s are 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Understood? Let's take one more example. When two variables are given, we'll take a square plus b square plus 2ab, where the value of a equals to minus 1 and value of b equals to 3. So how we will solve this? We will put the values according to this. We will put the values in the expression. So a square means minus 1 square plus b square means 3 square plus 2ab. 2 into minus 1 into 3. Why we have put minus here? To separate multiply and minus. If we will put it like this, then it will be a confusion that multiply is the sign of this or minus is the sign of this. So to separate multiply and minus, we will put bracket. Now we will solve it. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Minus minus, if we will multiply, then positive sign will be the answer. So 1 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6 into minus 1. So it will be minus 6. Now in this case, if the multiplication is like this, there can be 1 minus sign, there can be 2 minus sign or 3 minus sign. So in that case, what we will do? We will multiply the numbers simply first of all. Then we will count the number of minus sign. If minus signs are even number of times, then answer sign will be positive. And if minus signs are odd number of times, then my answer sign will be negative. In this, minus sign is 1 time. So answer sign will be minus 6. So now we'll open the bracket. 1 plus 9 minus 6. Now we will add plus plus first. 10 minus 6 equals to 4. So 4 is the answer. Understood? Now we'll start the exercise. Exercise number 5.3. So let's start the exercise. Exercise number 5.3. Question number 1. In question number 1, we will do third and fourth part. Third in our copy, classwork copy, and rest we will do in the practice one. So third question is, find the value of expression when value of n is 4. So third question is minus n square plus 5n plus 7. So first is minus n square, so it will be minus 4 square plus 5 into 4 plus 7. This will not be in the bracket because it is out of the bracket. So it will be minus 16 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 7. So 20 plus 7 minus 16 plus 27. So it will be 11. 11 is the answer. Understood? Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is 8n upon 2 minus 9. So here we can solve this fraction. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So it will be 4n minus 9. The value of n is 4. 4 into 4 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 is 7. Answer is 7. Now we will solve the question number 2. In question number 2, have you understood these expressions, how to find the value? First we will put the value of the variable into the expression and then we will solve it. So now we will solve question number 2. In question number 2, we will solve the question number, only 2 questions are there. So one question I will solve for you, that is question number 2. Second part we will solve. In this, the value of x is minus 2. So expression is minus 6x square minus 5x minus 9. So minus 6x square minus 6x square is minus 2. Why we are not putting a bracket on all the numbers? Because the square is of x only. If it was like this, then we used to put the bracket on all the numbers. So that's why we are not putting the bracket. Whole square we are not doing. We are doing only the square of x only. Minus 5 into minus 2 minus 9. In this case, we can, if there are too many minus and multiply signs, then we can put the terms into the big bracket. To separate the terms, we can put the terms into the big brackets. Why in the big brackets? Because small brackets we have to use to separate the signs. So we will use big brackets. So that in between the big bracket we can use the small brackets. So first we will solve this big bracket. Minus 6 minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, 4. So plus 4. Minus 5 to the 10. One time minus sign is there. So minus will be the answer. Minus 9. Now minus 24 plus 10 minus 9. Minus minus we will write together. Minus 9 plus 10. Minus 24 minus 9 minus 33 plus 10. 1 plus 1 minus, we will subtract. Minus 23 is the answer. Understood? So why we are putting them the terms into the big bracket? So that we can separate the terms, and because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many minus and multiply signs are there. So we can separately solve the terms and then we will solve them together. Now question number 3. Question number 3, there are two variables. Two variables are there. So how will solve them? So in this also, I will solve 4th and 5th question. So question number 4, 4th part. In this, the value of P is 1 and Q is 2. Q equals to 2. So 4th question is 5. Question number 4. 5 P square Q square minus 4P square Q minus 2P Q square. Here so many parts are there, so we will first put the terms into the big bracket so that confusion cannot be created. Now we will put the values. 5 into P is 1 into Q is 2 minus 4 into 1 square into 2 minus 2 into 1 into 2 square. Now we will solve the big brackets. 5 into 1 into 4 minus 4 into 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1 into 4. Now 5 4s are 20 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8. Understood? 5 4s are 20 1s are 20, 4 2s are 8 1s are 8 and 2 4s are 8 1s are 8. Now we'll solve minus minus, we'll add. So 20 is plus 20 minus 16 equals to 4. 4 is the answer. So understood? First we will put the terms into the big bracket. Then we will put the values of the variables. Then we will solve the powers. And then we will solve the brackets and bring the numbers out. And then we will solve the final answer. Understood? So if you will follow all the steps, then there will be no chance of mistake. Otherwise, there can be some mistake, and in any of the steps, the mistake can be there. If you will skip the steps, then mistakes can be there. Now we will solve 5th part. Question number this 3rd and part 5. 5th part we will solve now. 5th part. Fifth part, PQ plus QQ minus 6P QQ plus 8PQQ. So it will be PQ plus QQ minus 6PQQ plus 8PQQ. Now again we will put the variables into the big bracket and then we will put the values. P is 1, so it will be 1Q plus Q is 2, 2Q minus 6 into 1 into 2Q plus 8 into 1Q into 2. Now we will solve it. 1 plus 2. 1 cube means minus 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, minus 6 into 2 cube means 8, plus 8 into 1 into 2. So 1 plus 8 minus 48 plus 8 to the 60. So all are only one is subtract minus. So 1 plus 8 plus 16 minus 48. 8 plus 1 19. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 16 25. Minus 48 equals to minus 22. Understood? First we will put the terms into the big bracket, then we will put the values of the terms, then we will solve the powers, then we will bring the numbers out of the bracket and then we will solve the final answer. Understood? Now question number 4. Question number 4. Last parts we'll do, third and fourth part. In this, simplify and find the value of the expression when there are 3 variables now. A equals to 3, B equals to minus 1 and C equals to 5. Now, question number 3. 5AB minus 4BC plus 8AB plus 9. Now, 5 into A is 3 into minus 1 minus 4 into B is minus 1 into 5 plus 8 into A is 3 and B is minus 1 plus 9. First we will put the terms into the big brackets, then we will put the values, then we will solve the brackets first. So first bracket is 5 3s are 15 into minus 1 minus 15 minus 4 5s are 20 into minus 1 minus 20 plus 8 3s are 24 minus 24 plus 9. Now we will open the brackets. Minus 15 plus 20 minus 24 plus 9. Outside, if minus sign is there, inside sign will change into its opposite. If outside plus sign is there, inside sign will remain same. Now we will do minus minus separate and plus plus separate. 20 plus 9. Now minus 39 plus 20 is minus 10. Minus 10 is the answer. The steps are same, the rules are same, only the number of variables are changed. Now we will solve the fourth part of this. Fourth part of this, 2ab square minus 3a square b plus 5c plus a b square. We will put all the terms in the big bracket. Now a is 2 into a is 3 into minus 1 square minus 3 into 3 square into minus 1 plus 5 into 5 plus a is 3 into minus 1 square. Now we will solve the brackets. 2 into 3 into 1 minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3 into 9 minus 1 plus 25 plus 3 into 1. Well, minus 1 square means 1. Now 2 3s are 6 1s are 6 minus 3 9s are 27 into minus 1 minus 27 plus 25 plus 3. Now you can bring them in the small bracket also, but I am writing in the big bracket because already they are in the big bracket. So I am continuing the same bracket. You can convert them into the small bracket also. So now we will open the bracket. 6 plus 27 plus 25 plus 3. So all are plus sign, so we will add them together. Answer will be 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 6, 21, carry 2, 2 to 4 to 6. So answer is 61. Answer of this question is 61. Understood? So like this we will solve the question. Now, fifth part. If M is fifth question. If M is minus 100, then find the value of M square minus 2M minus 1000. M square minus 2M minus 1000. So we will put the value of M in this. Minus 100 square minus 2 into minus 100 minus 1000. So minus 100 square means 10,000 minus 100 into minus 100 plus 10,000 minus 200 minus 1000. This is 1000. And this is 1000 and this is minus 100. Now 10,000 plus 200 minus 1000. So it will be 10,000 plus 200 10200. 10,200 minus 1000. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Now 2 minus 0 2 and 0 minus 1 means 10 minus 1 9. So it will be 9,200 is the answer. Understood? 10,200 minus 1,000 is 9,200. This is the answer. So that's all about this exercise. I hope you all have understood it well. In this, all the sums are same. You only have to put the values of the variables into the expression and then you have to solve according to the Damas or BODMAS. You can say BODMAS. In this, you will use BODMAS also. So, if you have any problem in any of the question, you can ask me in the live class or by calling or messaging me. So that's all for today, children. Have a nice day, stay home and stay safe.